WISPR Ground Control Basic Operations. Power on Smart Controller. Start by turning on the Smart Controller with the Start button, which is the third button from the left. The controller will power up, giving you the date and time. Open WISPR Ground Control by sliding up on the screen. You will see the WISPR Ground Control icon. Click it to open. WGC monitors battery and electronics health with failsafes in place to protect the user and the aircraft. Failsafes trigger return to launch. WISPR Ground Control monitors battery and electronics health that will trigger a return to launch failsafe if there is any issue. You can check these by clicking the temperature gauge and the battery icons at the top of the screen. Battery health status post-flight. After you run a mission, you will receive a notification on the controller regarding battery health. Flight mode buttons. A is loiter flight mode and is the default mode that uses the drone's GPS. B is altitude hold flight mode, which does not use GPS. The home button will return the drone to the launch point, commonly referred to as RTL. C is auto land and will land the drone safely for you wherever you are. D is the auto mission or continue mission button. Left joystick controls. Arming, taking off, and gaining altitude. Holding the left joystick down and to the right will arm the drone. You will hear an audible confirmation the drone is armed. Once the drone is armed, push up on the left joystick to gain altitude. Decreasing altitude. To decrease altitude, pull the left joystick straight down. To rotate counterclockwise, pull the left joystick directly to the left. Rotate clockwise. To rotate clockwise, push the left joystick to the right. Manual landing and disarming. To land manually, pull down on the left joystick. Take your time and land the drone slow and safe. Disarm the drone by holding the left joystick down and to the left. Right joystick controls. Strafe forward. Push the right joystick forward to strafe forward. Strafe backwards. Pull the right joystick down to strafe backwards. Strafe right. Strafe right by moving the right joystick to the right. Strafe left. Strafe left by moving the joystick to the left.